welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my videos, and of course don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share any of my videos. If you guys have any requests, please comment in the comments section below, or you can even email me. My email is in the description below. Ever wanted to send an email out but don't want to bug your boss and you just want to send it in the morning, but you just don't want to, forget to send that email out? Well, worry no more. Gmail actually has the capacity or ability to send a scheduled email whenever you want. You can just set the time and forget it. Set it and forget it. I think that old infomercial used to be, I don't remember which one it is, but comment below if you guys remember. So this is how you do it. We're going to open up Gmail. So I'm in my Gmail right now. How To Tech Tips Gmail. And then we're going to just open up a new email. And then we'll just send it to ourselves. And we will write, hello, how are you today? Did you get those documents that I sent yesterday? Let me know how to tech tips. Okay, so this is just a whatever email, I'm writing whatever. So how you actually schedule. So if I wanted this to be sent in the morning, let's say 8 in the morning the following day, then instead of hitting send, because I would send it automatically, I would actually go to the little arrow here where it says more send options. I would left click, and then right here it'll say schedule send. We're going to want to left click that, and then here it gives us a bunch of suggestions. So you can see here July 5th. Oh, did that too early. Sorry, let's go back. Schedule send. And then from here, so if you wanted the July 5th, so that would be tomorrow afternoon at 1 p.m., then you'd click that, and then it would automatically do it right away like I just showed you. Or you can pick a day. So we'll do, what time is it right now? We'll do today, sure. All right, let's just do Tuesday at, do Tuesday at 7:30 a.m., for example. We're going to send that off, scheduled send, and here you'll see confirmation scheduled for Tuesday, July 6th, 7:30. And how you know that it's actually scheduled still is if you go here and you'll see in the scheduled section 1. You can click that, and then you should see your email that you wrote right here, and it'll say July 6th, and it should be orange because it's scheduled. And then even if you click into it, you'll see scheduled. You can also cancel the send and not send at all. But yeah, pretty easy. I think you guys would be actually using this more if you wanted to send an email, but just didn't want to, interrupt. Ooh, can't talk today. Interrupt your boss. It's a late night, whatever. But also, you don't want to forget to send that email. So this is a very good tool to have on Gmail. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.